Hi and welcome. My name is Leo and I'm CEO of Mover Forward. I've been waiting for this day more than 9 months, and I'm so excited you could join us today. Mover Forward has been committed to create great products and help teams and companies be more productive and efficient. We are a Platinum Atlassian marketplace partner. We've been very fortunate to help more than 5,000 companies achieve their goals. Today, I'm glad to present one of our top products which took Atlassian Marketplace by storm. It is Advanced Microsoft Teams Conference Connector that integrates Microsoft Teams with Atlassian Confluence in cloud and data center. The response to this product has been amazing so far.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanya and I'm a product manager at Move Work Forward. And today I'm going to present you Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector, a fantastic tool that helps to keep everyone on the same page. Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector seamlessly connects your Microsoft Teams with Confluence, bringing your team's communication and content together in one platform. Now you can follow all updates, changes, and comments made on Confluence pages directly from Microsoft Teams. Also, you get the unique ability to tailor the notifications you receive to your specific needs, reduce the noise, stay informed of updates that are important to you and your team. And also, you know that Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector provides more notification filters than any other integration, which make it the best tool for business teams. So, let's recap. You will never miss critical updates or changes to Confluence content, keeping your work current and effective. Get notified personally or receive notifications to Microsoft Teams channels. Two-way integration allows you to leave comments on Confluence pages directly from Microsoft Teams chats. Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector simplifies content sharing, allowing your team to share Confluence pages within Microsoft Teams channels. The Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector brings cutting-edge technologies to simplify agile work for teams everywhere. Now, over to my colleague Pulumi to share some final details.
Thank you, Talia. All these features and more are available right now with the Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence Connector, available on the marketplace for all Atlassian users. And guess what? It's free for companies with less than 10 users. It is also available whether you use Confluence Cloud or Confluence Data Center. Get started today with a 30-day free trial.